Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be going over how you can create your first preset and the benefits of using one. Now if you have just done a photo shoot, gotten many great photos, and then you're thinking, how am I going to edit all of these photos, get the same result, and do it in a timely manner? Well, a preset is definitely going to help you chop down the editing time and get those same result each and every shot. Now creating your first preset is actually relatively easy. If you've seen my previous video, I went through my entire editing process where I worked my way down from the basic tab, tone curve, the HSL for the color grading, split toning, sharpening, and all of that until I worked my way to the end and I got a result that I was happy with. Now I did go the extra route and do some brushes and focused in on the car, which won't carry over in the preset because it is a bit more subjective to the photo. But doing this will make the preset very easy to do. So in this case, I have my base shot here, which was straight out of the camera, nothing done to it. And I took it a direction where this photo was actually done around sunset, and I wanted it to be a bit more yellow and kind of show off that it was like towards the end of the day. So I think I was able to achieve this look in my new edited photo, and I got a lot of shots from around the same time. So I want to get that same look across different photos. So I'm going to create a preset, and I'm also going to use it on a different photo to get relatively the same look. So after I've done all of my editing here, all you're going to want to do is go to presets, click on the little plus icon here, create a preset, and then I'm gonna just title it. Maybe it's train yard photo shoot. And I actually want to make a new group for this because I want it to be relatively easy to find. So I'm gonna create a new group and I'm just gonna say preset package. Okay, so I've created a new group and it's gonna be going into that group. Now these are the different settings that are going to be copied over and pasted onto the new photos that you want to have the preset applied to. So all of them are good here. The one thing I do want to not carry over is sometimes the transform. So in some shots I got it completely level and I don't need to change anything on the other photos. So that's something that's a bit more subjective, and I think that should be unchecked. Other than that, everything else is pretty good because it's just going to change the color of the photo and the sharpening and things like that. So I can actually just have it blanket and applied to as many photos as I want. So when I'm happy with that, I'm going to just hit create. So you can see it made a new group and it's called preset package here, and then there's my preset right there. So now I'm ready to take it on to another photo. Now granted, the car may look a little bit different just because I did do some brushes on it, but more or less the background and the overall setting should look the same. So this one I'm going to look at somewhere, but I got another good shot of the car, maybe this one here, and I'm just going to hover over the train yard photo shoot, and it should give me a little. Yeah, see, it's already changed the photo to the same settings as I had before. Now this is something that you may want to play with, like the exposure, to find something that suits what you like, but I can do it across multiple photos and get a nice setting. Like this is actually, I kind of like this. Maybe I didn't do a good job on rotating the filter. I should have maybe stacked this photo. But I love the colors in this photo here. Maybe I can see if there's a different one that it works well with. Right there, that looks pretty good. I mean, I may tweak a few things, use a brush here and there, but I more or less like the result that I'm getting from it. And then this one here, I can try. This one, maybe it's a bit brighter, but settings are there. Just darken it a bit. And there you go. Alright, so over the past couple years of working in Lightroom and editing different photos, I've made some presets myself, And what I like to do after I've just done a photo shoot is actually just scroll through them to see different looks that I could kind of go, and different just like ways that I can edit this photo to make it look really nice. And in some cases, I can actually just, you know what, like I like the way that this looks. I can just take it to Photoshop, maybe do a little quick edit in some places, and it's good to go for Instagram. So this is something that's nice about preset packages, is that it'll really cut down the time that you spend editing and still give you a same good look, because you've put in that effort of creating a mood for like your photos, and if they work, like why not use them, right? So this is something that I'm going to be developing a preset package for you guys. So if you're subscribed and you're watching my videos, you'll definitely get these preset packages and be the first to know. And yeah, it'll really help with editing your photos and getting a consistent, nice look. All right, and now let's just finish it off by using the preset that we just created before, which was the train yard photo shoot. I mean, damn, this looks great on it. I think it looks perfect, and all we had to do is one simple click because we did all the work in the other photo. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw up some photos that I used with this preset after this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If this did help you, leave a like, and if you want to see those presets coming soon, then say subscribed and you'll be the first to know. Thanks a lot. See you guys.